conducted by KEA for assistant professor post in 2022. So we'll move to the first question. A good software design must have low module coupling, high module cohesion. Option B, low module coupling, low module cohesion. Option C, high module coupling, high module cohesion. Option D, high module coupling, low module cohesion. For this question, option A is the right answer. Low module coupling and as well as high module cohesion, a good software design need to have. So we'll move to the second one. So second question, design recovery from source code is done during A, reuse, B, all of this, C, reverse engineering, D, re-engineering. So C is the right answer for this question. Reverse engineering is used to design recovery from source code. So comes to an option, third question. So which of the following words correctly summarize the importance of a software design? Option A, efficiency. Option B, accuracy. Option C, quality. Option D, complexity. So right answer is C, quality. So we'll move to the fourth one. Regression testing is primarily related to option A, data flow testing. Option B, maintenance testing. Option C, functional testing. Option D, development testing. So right answer is option C, functional testing. So we'll move to the fifth one. So which of the following are the facts about a top-down software testing approach? First one, top-down testing typically requires the tester to build method stubs. Second one, top-down testing typically requires the tester to build test drives. So option A, both 1 and 2 are true. Option B, neither 1 nor 2 is true. Option C, only first one is true. Option D, only second one is true. So right answer is option A, both 1 and 2 are true. So sixth one. So which of the following is not part of the test document? Option A, test strategy. Option B, project initiation note. Option C, test case. Option D, requirement traceability matrix. So right answer is option B, project initiation note. Seventh one, which memory has the lowest access time? So register, option A. Option B, optical disk. Option C, cache memory. Option D, main memory. So right answer is option A, registers. Eighth one, so consider the following operations performance on stack of size 5. So totally stack is nothing but a last in first out mechanism. So it's working on LIFO fashion. So after completion of this push and pop operations, the number of elements present in this stack, totally we are performing 5 push operation and 4 pop operation means, so we pushed 5 elements together generally, then we popped 4 element means remaining element is 1. Option A is it they asking 3, option E they given as in 4, option C they given as in 1, and option D they given as 2. So right answer is, so 5 push and 4 pop means remaining only 1 element is there in the stack. So that option C is the right answer. So ninth one, identify the data structure which allows deletion at both the ends of the list but insertion at only one end. So option A, priority queue. Option B, stack. Option C, input restricted DQ. Option D, output restricted DQ. So right answer is option C, input restricted DQ. So because you need to insert at only one end, only how many element you can insert, in only one end you need to insert. So that's why option C is the right answer. So comes to 10th one. Given in order and pre-order tree traversal, they given with respect to binary tree. So in order DECG, BFA, pre-order GED, CFBA. The post-order traversal we need to find. Here they given the options. So for this question, right option is option A, DCE, BAGF, BAFG. Sorry. So comes to an 11th question, which of the following is not a matrix for design model? Okay, so architecture matrix, option B, complexity matrix, option C, interface design matrix, option D, a component level matrix. So here the right answer is option B, a complexity matrix. So we'll move to the 12th one. So here they given the graph. So what is the weight of a minimum spanning tree of the following graph? So here they given the options. Option A 38, option B 41, option C 29, and option D 31. So for this question, right answer is option D 31. So we'll move to 13th one. Okay, a binary search tree is generated by inserting the following integers in the order. So here you need to think, so which element you are inserting, that element is the root element. So 50 is the root element. So which lesser value we need to keep in a left subtree, greater value you need to keep in a right subtree. That logic you need to use. The number of nodes combination in the left of the root and right of the root is respectively. So less than 50, how many number of elements are there? Just you need to identify, and greater than 50, how many number of elements are there? You can identify those elements are need to be there in the right of the root. Here option A 8,4, option B 5,7, option C 4,8, option D 7,5. Here right answer is option A 8,4. 8 element will comes under left of the root, 4 element will comes under right of the root. Okay, so this is about question number 13. So we'll move to 14th. Which approach is being followed in Floyd-Warshall algorithm? So option A linear programming, option B backtracking, option C greedy technique, option D dynamic programming. So here the option D is the right answer. Dynamic program is the right answer. So move to 15th. So considering the following sequence of nodes for the undirected graph given below, a depth first search is started at node A. The nodes are visited in the order they are first visited. Which one of the following is a possible output? So here option A, option B, and option C and D they given. Here A to D, D to G, G to F, F to C, C to B, B to E. Nothing but option D is the right answer for this particular question. Option D is the right answer. So we'll move to 16th question. How many conditions have to be met if an NP complete problem is polynomially reducible? So here the right answer option A is 3, option B is 4, option C is 1, and option D is 2. Right answer is at 2. We'll move to the next question, 17. Which data structure has a better amortized runtime than others? So option A priority queue, option B list, option C queue, option D stacks. Right answer is a priority queue. Okay, option A is the right answer. So we'll move to the 18th one. A parenthesis checker program would be a best implemented using option A queue, option B stack, option C array, option D list. So right answer is option B stack. 19th one, match the following. So list one they given as a Prim's algorithm, Floyd-Warshall algorithm, merge sort, Hamiltonian circuit, right side. List two they given a backtracking, greedy method, dynamic programming, divide and conquer technique. So Prim's algorithm, so a greedy method, Floyd-Warshall algorithm, dynamic programming, merge sort, divide and conquer, Hamiltonian circuit, backtracking. So totally 4 options they given. In that option A is a right answer. Option A is the right answer. So we'll move to the next one. So 20th question. So match the following. Here also list one. So push down automata, regular expression, data flow analysis, type checking they given. Here syntax analysis, code optimization, lexical analysis and semantic analysis they given. And with respect to that, they given 4 options. In this, D is the right answer. So just you can check type checking. Type checking is always related to semantic analysis. All other it's matched. So option D is the right answer. 21. Consider the following given regular expression. In that, which of the following options are correct? Option A, 2 and 3 are equivalent. Option B, 1 and 3 are equivalent. Option C, 1 and 4 are equivalent. Option D, 1 and 2 are equivalent. So with respect to this option 2 and 3, nothing but option A is the right answer. 2 and 3 are equivalent. So we'll move to the next question. The sum of minimum and maximum number of final state for a FDA which has 8 state is equal to option A 7, option B 10, option C 9, option D 8. So right answer is C 9 state. Okay, totally 9. So n plus 1. So nothing but it's a 9 states. It's equal to 9 states. So move to the 23rd question. The class of context-free language is not closed under option A, intersection, option B, a repeated concatenation, option C, union, option D, star. So right answer is option A, intersection. 24th question. In static allocation, names are bounded to store at dash time. Option A, debugging. Option B, both compilation and execution time. Option C, compile. Option D, execution. So right answer is compilation time. So option C is the right answer. 25th question. Let's A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, and C is equal to 4, and D is equal to 5. They given the value. What is the final value of the prefix expression? So here they given the expression plus star AB minus CD. So what's the value? If we evaluated, then they given the option A 10, option B minus 10, option C 5, and option D minus 5. So if so right answer is option C 5. 26th question, match the following. So list 1 they given as an physical data link network transport. List 2 they given SCTP, IPsec, PPP cables. So here totally 4 options they given. In that option C is the right answer. So physical, cables, data link, it's a PPP, network, IPsec, then transport to SCTP. So option C is the right answer. So 27, it's an encrypt the plain text message intranet using transportation cipher technique with the following keys. Okay, they given the plain text key value as an 1, 2, 3, 4. One is matching with ciphertext 3, 2 is matching with ciphertext 5, 3 is matching with ciphertext 2, 4 is matching with ciphertext 1, and plain text 5 is matching with 4. Use X as a bogus character. If it is not matching with this particular plain and ciphertext, you can use X. Here they given the option A, B, C, D. Here right answer is option C. Option C is the right answer. So 28, the subnet mask for a particular network is 255.255.31.0. Which of the following pairs of IP address could belongs to this network? So option A, option B, and option C, and option D they given. So in this right answer is 91.203.31.87 and 91.234.31.88. So right answer is option A. We'll move to 29th question. Which of the following is not a secure VPN protocol? Option A, SSTP. Option B, SFTP. Option C, UDP. Option D, TCP. So right option is option C, UDP. So which of the following is not a hacking method? So option A, spoofing. Option B, malware. Option C, sniffing. Option D, social engineering. So right answer is option B, a malware. So 31 question. So the four primary security principles related to a message are option A, authentication, authorization, non-repudiation, and availability. Option B, availability, access control, authorization, and authentication. Option C, confidentiality, authentication, integrity, and non-repudiation. Option D, confidentiality, access control, non-repudiation, and integrity. So right answer is option B, availability, access control, authorization, and authentication. So move to 32. Dash is the community that is working together to establish an IoT architecture based on open source technologies and standards. Option A, Intercloud. Option B, Bot and Bot. Option C, Eclipse IoT. Option D, Red Hat. So right answer is option C, Eclipse IoT. 33 question. Dash is the standard port number of secure MQTT. So option A, 8883. Option B, 8888. Option C, 1883. Option D, 8000. So here the right answer is option A, 8883. So 8883 is the right answer. 34. Which of the following protocol is used for discovering and retrieving objects from a cloud? So option A, HTTP. Option B, FTP. Option C, OCCI. Option D, SMTP. So here right answer is OCCI. So we'll move to the 35th question. What type of computing technology refers to serve and application that typically runs on a distributed networks through virtualized resources? Option A, soft computing. Option B, parallel computing. Option C, distributed computing. Option D, a cloud computing. Right answer is option D, cloud computing. So 36th question, which is not a property of a representational of knowledge? So option A, inferential adequacy. Option B, inferential efficiency. Option C, representational verification. Option D, representational adequacy. So right answer is option C, representational verification is not a property of representational of knowledge. So 37, what is the another type of default reasoning? Option A, mnemonic reasoning. Option B, non-monotonic reasoning. Option C, monotonic reasoning. Option D, analogical reasoning. So option B is the right answer. Non-monotonic reasoning is another type of default reasoning. 38, an agent is composed of option A, perception sequence. Option B, architecture and program. Option C, architecture. Option D, agent function. So right answer is option B, architecture and program. 39th question, the process of removing details from a given state representation is called option A, information retrieval. Option B, mining of data. Option C, extraction. Option D, abstraction. So right answer is option D, abstraction. So 40th question, which of the following are used to generate a message digest by the network security protocol? So P, RSA, Q, SHA1 or DES, S, MDS. So here they given the option A, Q and S only. Option B, R and S only. Option C, P and R only. Option D, Q and R only. So right option is Q and S only. SHA1 and MD5 are the message digest protocols with respect to network security. So move to 41. What is the Adeline in neural network? Option A, adaptive line element. Option B, adaptive nonlinear element. Option C, adaptive linear element. Option D, automatic linear element. So option C is the right answer, adaptive linear element. So 42 question. Dendroids are option A, other name for nucleus. Option B, twisted network. Option C, fibers of nerves. Option D, a nuclear projections. The right option is option C, fibers of nerves. So option C is the right answer. 43, roulette wheel selection schema is preferable when option A, needs low selection pressure. Option B, needs high population diversity. Option C, fitness value are uniformly distributed. Option D, fitness values are non-uniformly distributed. Right option is answer is option C, fitness values are uniformly distributed. So 44, a general algorithm applied on a game tree for making a decision of win or slash win loss is option A, greedy search algorithm. Option B, min-max algorithm. Option C, DFA or BFA search algorithm. Option D, heuristic search algorithm. So right answer is option B, min-max algorithm. 45. So adversarial search problems uses option A, neither competitive nor cooperative environment. Option B, both competitive and cooperative environment. Option C, competitive environment. Option D, cooperative environment. So right option answer is option C, competitive environment. 46. The truth value of traditional set theory is and that of fuzzy set is option A, between 0 and 1, comma, between 0 and 1. So option B, either 0 or 1, either 0 or 1. So option C, either 0 or 1, between 0 and 1. Option D, between 0 and 1, either 0 or 1. For this, so option C is the right answer. For traditional set theory is either 0 or 1, comma. So for fuzzy set, between 0 and 1. Option C is the right answer for this question. So 47, which of the following statement is a proposition? So option A, what are you doing? So option B, God bless you. Option C, the only even prime number is 2. Option D, get me a glass of water. So right answer is option C, the only even prime number is 2. 48th question. So given x is equal to 313, the base 5, and y is equal to 311 base 5, then x plus y will be option A, 1224 base 5, option B, 1201 base 5, option C, 1301 base 5, option D, 1124 base 5. So right answer is option D, 1124 base 5. So 49th question. How many Hamiltonian paths the following graph has? So option A 3, option B 4, option C 1, and option D 2. Right answer is option D 2. So 50th question. What is the chromatic number for the given graph? Option A 3, option B 5, option C 1, and option D 2. So right answer is option D 2. So this is about our part 1. So I answered 50 questions from this computer science question paper. So in a part 1, so part 2 remaining questions I'll answer. If you like, kindly subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching our video.